Hey y'all, I'm Reese and welcome to my channel. To Whew, child. Baby, we gonna furnish this together. Y'all about to see the whole process, baby. Y'all gonna see the whole thing.
So can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. You do.
Hey y'all, I'm Reese and welcome to my channel. Okay, today's video is going to be a empty apartment tour. So I'm from Chicago. I moved to Chicago, from Chicago to Houston, back to Chicago, back to Houston. And yes, I'm here, I'm back and I'm better. I'm back like I never left. If y'all want a story time of why I did the back and forthness, y'all let me know, because it's some tea. It's some tea, okay? So let me know if y'all want that story. But yeah, I've been in my apartment for a little bit over a month now, and y'all, I actually recorded this video when I first moved in, and I'm just now doing it. But it's just like this is my first video, and well, okay, I lied. I had a previous YouTube channel. I actually did a wig review and got paid to do it and everything. This was way back when. I'm talking about like 2016, and I deleted it. But anyways, I deleted the channel. That's another story. I'll get into that another time. But anyways, this is my first YouTube video to my new YouTube channel. Okay, so I just didn't really know how to be on camera, you know? Like, I didn't know how to talk to camera and talk to myself. Well, I'm talking to y'all, but I'm talking to myself, you know? Like, I didn't know how to do that. I was nervous, I was scared, I was acting shy. I just didn't really know how to do it. But I'm here now, and I'm doing it for y'all, and y'all about to see this empty apartment tour. But before I do it, hold on, bear with me now, y'all. So my apartment is furnished right now because I have my old furniture from my old apartment in this unit. So my stuff is in storage. I just got it out of storage right here. So it is partially furnished. My upstairs area is not furnished yet. It just have the desk. It just have the desk in the Wi-Fi box up here. But I want to take y'all through that whole journey of me creating this space, because this is gonna be my studio. Like, this is gonna be where the hair and the makeup and the glam gets done up here. So I'm so excited. Like, I got everything in my Amazon cart already, just waiting for me to purchase. It's gonna be so nice, y'all. But yeah, let's just get right into it. We can get into that another time, but yeah, let's go. Y'all finna go with me on this tour of my empty apartment, and then y'all about to help me decorate my apartment once I get this paint up so I can finish decorating. But yeah, let's go.
All right, y'all. So as a new content creator, I did not know that I was supposed to record going sideways, horizontal rather than vertical. But bear with me, y'all. I think the camera might have flipped or got smaller. But anyways, when you first walk into my apartment, this is the living room. I love this living room so bad. I love the big open windows, the tall ceilings. It just makes me feel like it gives lux. It gives lux. I'm just giving you a view of everything. We're going to go ahead right into my dining room area and my kitchen area. Now, I do like this kitchen. However, I definitely would have preferred just the waterfall countertop island thing. I really love that look, but I like this kitchen because it's modern, it's updated, and I do still have a half of waterfall countertop. So that's fine by me. And y'all, please excuse me. I am getting sick. I'm coming down with a cold, so just bear with me, okay? But it got to get done, baby. It got to get done. So, going up to the stairs to my loft area. This is the area that I was telling y'all about, going to be the glam studio. So, I'm going to get this. It's really big. I'm going to get this real set up, nice and cute. I can't wait to discuss my plans for this with y'all. But as you can see, a lot of extra space up here. And I call this the Princess Towers, okay? Because, baby, I feel like a princess looking over the scene with these tall ceilings and these high windows. You can't tell me I'm not. All right, so we're going to go ahead, head back down the stairs. Going back through the living room and dining room into the back area. So I do have a built-in bookshelf, which is cute. And I have this extra storage space right here. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom. This bathroom is so big, y'all. I love this bathroom so much. This is probably the biggest bathroom that I ever had. It have the washer and dryer in there. It has his and her sinks, and look at this huge tub, y'all. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I'm one of the tall girlies, and I like taking baths. And baby, my knees be sticking up in them little bitty bathtubs that they be putting in them places. But I could sit in here comfortably, and I love that. I love that for me. Anyways, here is my room. My bedroom is really big. I have a lot of space in here. This is considered a 1.5 bedroom, which I needed because I do need a studio. Here is my walk-in closet. It does have double doors and it has 2 sides to it. So if I had a man, it'll be his and her sides. But I don't got that. Mind your business, okay? You all up in mine. You need to mind yours. But yeah.
All right, y'all. So I do want to add, I am a self-taught MUA, and I'm in the Houston area, and I'm just trying to perfect my craft and build my clientele. So I am looking for brand ambassadors. If you are interested, you can hit me up on my Instagram for my makeup. Okay, I'm gonna link all of my pages and my tags in my description. But yes, I am looking for brand ambassadors for my business so that we can kickstart this and get this rolling. And I promise y'all not gonna regret working with me.
So can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. You do.